How to fix Discord connecting problem mobile. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Discord. When you found it, just open it like this and go to storage option. Then go and click on clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things, don't forget it, is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in other videos.